How can I set up my newsletter so that new subscribers automatically receive the most recent copy? Many email newsletters are delivered according to a set schedule, for example, once a week or once a month. When the newsletter is sent out, all of your subscribers receive a copy. However, what if you have a monthly newsletter that you send out on the first day of every month and some new people subscribe to your list the following day? With a regular delivery, those subscribers would have to wait for an entire month until they get their first newsletter, which isn't ideal. Thankfully, there is a better approach through a feature called extended delivery. When you are creating your newsletter, one of the final steps of the process is to schedule the delivery. The two most common options are to send the newsletter immediately upon approval or to schedule it for a specific date and time in the future. There are also some more advanced options available, which are hidden by default. Click the Enable link to show them. Now you will see a new option called Extended Delivery. By choosing this option, your newsletter is delivered to your current subscribers on the date and time of your choice. In addition, any new subscribers that you attract between then and your next scheduled newsletter will automatically receive the current copy so that they won't have to wait until the next scheduled newsletter. You have the choice to extend this delivery indefinitely until you manually stop it, or you can extend it until a certain date and time in the future. With a monthly newsletter that's always distributed on the first day of every month, you can simply extend the delivery until the last day of the current month so that there is no overlap. The system checks for new subscribers every day and will automatically send them the current issue of your newsletter at the same time of day that you chose for the initial delivery. In this case, 10 a.m. This process is entirely automatic and requires no additional work. The open up and click data of any new subscribers will be seamlessly added to your existing tracking reports. Thank you for watching.